quick question. What happens to a lead that fills out a form on a local business website at 9 at night? Most of the time, nothing. It sits there until the next morning, and by then, that person already messaged 2 other businesses. Studies have shown that if you reply within 5 minutes, you're way more likely to win that customer, and almost nobody does that. That gap right there is a business that you can sell. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you what you can do to demo and sell GoHighLevel AI chatbots to local businesses, including the exact demo that gets them to say yes and what to charge so you can actually make money. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we turn GoHighLevel into real income, not theory. Selling AI chatbots is one of the easiest services to get a local business to understand because the problem is something they feel every single week. So let's break down how to sell it. First, let's be clear on what you're selling because the word chatbot makes people think of those clunky press one for this menus. That's not this at all. A GoHighLevel chatbot is a trained AI that talks to your leads in very simple language across every channel that they already use. It lives on a website chat widget, it answers text messages, and it replies in Facebook and Instagram DMs, and even WhatsApp. Someone messages the business, and within seconds, the bot answers their question, asks a couple of qualifying questions, and books them right into the calendar. It does this at 2 in the afternoon and at midnight, and it never forgets to follow up. Now, who do you actually sell this to? The same local businesses that live and die by leads. Dentists, med spas, salons, gyms, law offices, contractors, real estate agents, really anyone running ads or getting website traffic who can't answer every single message the second it comes in. Okay, now how do you actually sell this? And this is where a lot of people get it wrong. What you're going to do is demo it live, and you're going to demo it with their own business. So before the meeting, you build a quick bot and you go and train it on their website. GoHighLevel makes it super easy because you can feed the bot their website URL and it will crawl their pages and learn their services, their hours, and their most common questions. You can also drop in a PDF of their service menu or type in a few questions and answer pairs for the things that matter most. The more information, the better. But honestly, 10 minutes of setup and you've got a bot that knows their business. Then in this meeting, you don't just describe it, you pull it up and you let them talk to it. Have them ask it the questions their customers always ask. What are your prices? Are you open Saturday? Can I book a cleaning for next week? Watch their face when the bot answers correctly and then offers to book the appointment. That moment does the selling for you. The conversation stops being, should I do this, and becomes, how soon can we start? Almost nobody selling this bothers to build the demo on the prospect's real business, which is exactly why it works so well when you do. Now stick with me because in a minute, I'm going to give you the exact pricing that keeps your cost near zero while you charge a few hundred a month, and the margins are honestly a little bit ridiculous. Okay, now let's actually go through the setup so you know what you're actually delivering. Okay, so if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account and you want to follow along with this tutorial, we have a link down below that will get you access to an extended 30-day free trial. Once you click that link, all you're going to do is click start an extended free trial. You'll add in your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number. Step 2, you will have to put your credit card information in, but if you're still making your decision, just make sure you set a reminder on day 28 or 29 or something like that. Then once you are in, what we're going to go ahead and go to is AI agents. So there's voice AI and conversation AI, and if you're confused on which one, we actually have a completely different video on how to decide which one is for which business. We are going to dive into the conversation AI today though, because this is the more chatbot. This is more for calling. Okay, but what you need to do first is actually build the knowledge base. Okay, so you can go ahead and create a knowledge base. You just enter in your name and the description of the business. We'll go ahead and use the med spa as an example. So you want to add as much detail and information as humanly possible. So easiest way to start is for the web crawler. So you want to add in their exact website. So GoHighLevel can go in and it can go ahead and scrape everything, get all the information, and then train the AI bot as well. This is especially good because it obviously has a lot of this information. If there's a specific way that they want to answer a specific question, having the FAQs in there is really, really powerful. That way, you know for sure that they're going to be answering it in that exact way. You can also add any tables that you have, maybe pricing sheets, whatever it may be. You can also add even more text and then more files. Again, the more information, the better. It's going to sound AI if you only give it 3 little prompts, but it's going to sound more human if you actually provide it with the knowledge that it needs to answer the questions effectively. Okay, so now that we've built the knowledge base, now we're going to go ahead and create a bot. Okay, so you can do it prompt-based or flow-based. Okay, this is more for advanced users. You'll probably want to build a flow-based one when you are actually building it for them, but to keep things simple and more efficient, you can do a prompt-based one when you are going ahead and selling it to people. Okay, so now you can do general Q&A, but more people are going to pay to actually book appointments than general Q&A. So you'll go ahead and do appointment booking, med spa, chatbot. You can name it whatever you would like. Now you want to choose the operating mode. So this is turn off conversation AI, suggest prompts with chat window or autopilot. So bot replies automatically based on trained data. Okay, depending on their comfortability with AI is going to depend on what you want to do. But at the end of the day, you're going to want to put it on autopilot. So it's just replying based on what it's trained for. Then you can go ahead and select the communication channels. So SMS, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it may be. Then you can fine tune your bot's behavior. So med spa, autopilot mode. So wait time before responding. If you want it to be 2 seconds, 1 second. If you want to put it in minutes, you can do that too. Then the maximum messages a bot can send in a conversation. The bot will essentially go to sleep for that contact if the limit is reached. Then you can also allow this bot to respond with images and voice notes. Again, totally up to your client. Send bot to sleep when I send a manual message or workflow message. Okay, so you obviously can always send it to a real human, right? By responding manually or workflow message. So that way the bot stops when you send a manual message. Okay, we can save. Now we've got bot training. So we'll want to go ahead and choose the med spa knowledge base. That's why we created that first. Now you can go ahead and test it out as much as you would like, right? So now we're just basically testing it based on the knowledge base. Okay, we're open Monday through Thursday. Amazing. Then we can go to the bot goals. So you can select the type of AI that you would like. It depends on your preference. Okay, personality. Okay, so you can add you are a bot for insert business name, task to assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and guide customers towards booking an appointment. You can set up your actions. So we'll probably want to set up appointment booking, and then you can even go ahead and have it directly in here. So you can set up a booking link. Okay, here are some advanced options. So you can select the bot from booking the appointment directly, or you send them a booking link. It really depends. Pauses, workflows, etc. Other things you can do: trigger a workflow, human handover, transfer bot, automatic follow-up too, which is really, really powerful. As soon as you have everything set up, you can go ahead and just demo it for them and show them how amazing it's going to work and how it can book an appointment so easily. Look, pulls from the actual calendar. So it says, I've got bookings tomorrow, June 9th, 10 a.m., 10:30, 11, 11:30. Which slot works for you? Okay, and it will automatically book it. But again, you can show them this so they know, okay, wow, it's already booked and in the calendar. And they didn't have to do a single thing. Okay, now let's talk about the money piece. So here is your cost. GoHighLevel has an AI employee bundle for $97 a month per sub account, and that includes unlimited use of conversation AI along with the other AI tools. So for most clients, your real cost to run their chatbot is basically that flat fee. Now here's your actual price. So agencies sell chatbot services to local businesses for $200 to $500 a month. Depending on how hands-on you are and how much you manage their leads, do the math. Your cost is near $100, you're charging a few hundred, and the gap is mostly profit. And that's because the chatbot is saving them leads that they were already losing. It pays for itself the first time it books one customer who would have slipped away. If you want to build this yourself and have a demo ready for your first sales call, our exclusive link is down in the description below, where you can get access to an extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our link, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Okay, now let me give you a simple way to package the offer, because how you present it matters. So keep it to one clean price. Tell the client you'll build their bot, train it in their business, set it up on their website in text messages, and manage it so it actually books appointments. Charge a flat monthly fee. And if you want to add a one-time setup fee for the build, you can do that too. Flat pricing is just easier for them to say yes to because there's no usage math to worry about. Once you've done a few of these and you know your build time, you can raise the price with confidence. Okay, now putting the whole thing together. Local businesses are losing leads because nobody answers fast enough, and that's money they can feel walking out the door. You sell them an AI chatbot that answers every question in seconds, qualifies the person, and books them across their website, text, and social. You close the deal by building a demo on their own business and letting them talk to it, because nothing sells harder than seeing it actually work. Your cost to deliver is a flat $97 per bundle, plus you do have to pay for GoHighLevel itself. You charge a few $100 a month and you keep the promises honest about what the bot can actually do. This is one of the cleanest service businesses you can start right now because the problem is obvious and the demo sells itself and the delivery is mostly set it and manage it. Again, if you want to start building, that link is down in the description below. If this gave you a plan that you can actually run with, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more ways to make real money with GoHighLevel. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.